myself, or it might be a question which I know the answer to, but I'm going to have to ask you it, as if, it might sound as if I'm stupid, but that's what I'm going to do. The first question could be a very long, I've got 15 questions. If I can get them all answered, I'll feel fab, just great. The first one is very basic, and what is Krishna consciousness?
Krishna means God, and we are all connected with Krishna, God. God is the original Father. Therefore, we have an intimate connection with Krishna. So we have forgotten it. What is Krishna? What is my connection with Him? What is the aim of life? All these questions there are. And when one becomes interested in such questions, he is called Krishna.
How did Krishna consciousness develop?
Krishna consciousness is already there in everyone's whole of heart. But due to one's material condition and life, he has forgotten. So this process of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra means to revive the heart. He is already there. Just when 2 days ago, these American, European boys and girls, they did not know who is Krishna. But now they have seen yesterday how the whole procession, throughout the whole procession, how they are chanting and in ecstasy. So do you think that is artificial? Artificially, nobody can chant and chant for hours together. That means there is no Krishna. It was there by the bona fide process. It is now carried. That is explained. Vittasit Krishna Bhakti Santa Bhagavana Sagunadi Shuddha Chitte Tarai Gone. The Krishna consciousness is dormant in everyone's heart. So when it comes in contact with the devotees, that is how it can to be attracted by a young girl or young boy. It is there, the child. The small child is there. And when he will be young, then it will be it is not like artificial. So, in association, it is having the potency is there already. But in good association, by hearing about Krishna, one is held to the status of Krishna.
What is the difference between Krishna consciousness and Christ consciousness?
As consciousness and Krishna consciousness. But people do not follow the rules and regulations of Christianity. Therefore they are not having the commandments of Christ. They do not follow. Therefore they do not come to the standard of consciousness.
What is unique about Krishna consciousness that separates it from other religions? Is it a religion?
religion means primarily to know God and love Him. That is religion. And nobody knows God and what to speak of love Him. Nobody is trained how to know God and how to love Him. They are satisfied by going to the church. Oh God, give us our daily bread. That also not everyone goes. The communists say that you don't go to the church, bread you shall supply. So poor innocent persons, they get bread elsewhere, they do not go to church. But nobody is serious to understand what is God and how to love Him. Therefore, in Bhagavatam it is said, it is cheating me. I profess some religion, but I do not know what is God and how to love Him. So that type of religion is cheating. Religion means to know God and love Him. But generally, a man does not know what is God and what to speak of loving. So therefore that is cheating. So far Christian religion is concerned, they jump to chant, understanding God. But they do not care. For example, the commandment is, thou shalt not kill. But in the Christian world, best slaughterhouses are there. So how they can become God? They disobey the commandment. Do not care what Jesus honor Jesus Christ and honor. But this is not only in Christian religion, every religion is going. Simply Roman style. I am Hindu, I am Muslim. And none of them do know what is God and how to